How to buy Solana tokens through Rayduim on Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can do this easily. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet. Now once you are on the home page, you will be able to see this globe icon in the bottom right hand corner. So you need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you will be able to see Rayduim is one of the applications. So you just have to tap on Rayduim and then you will be landed on rayduim.io. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. For that, you need to first tap on connect wallet and then you need to select Phantom Wallet. Then you just have to select the account of your Phantom Wallet that you want to link with it. After that, you just have to connect your Phantom Wallet with Rayduim. Then you can start your buying process. So in order to buy your coins on Rayduim, you just have to first select Solana. Then in the two sections, you just have to tap on this top arrow button, and here you will be able to see various types of coins. So you just have to select any of these and then you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase it. Afterwards, it will show you the related information relating to this transaction. Then you just have to select the swap option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to buy Solana tokens through Rayduim on Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.